Today we are diving into the world of agent-to-agent protocol, one of the most exciting advancements in AI communication. Imagine this. You have got multiple AI agents working together like a team of experts, each doing its part to achieve a common goal. Well, this is exactly what A2A makes possible, and I'm going to break it down for you so that by the end of this video, you will understand how AI agents communicate, collaborate, and get things done. But before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that we are hosting a completely free masterclass on AI, machine learning, and generative AI, where our experts will show you a proven 3-step framework that's helped many land their dream jobs in the field of AI and machine learning. People like Stephen, Shrija, Mark, and others have done it, and now it's your turn. So register through the link below and grab this free opportunity. So what exactly is the A2A protocol? Well, think of it like this. We all know that humans communicate with each other, right? We exchange information, delegate tasks, and work together. The A2A protocol is like that, but for AI agents. Let's break it down. A2A stands for agent-to-agent communication, and it's a protocol developed by Google. So it allows different AI agents, whether they are running on different devices, using different platforms, or created by different developers to talk to each other and work together to achieve a common objective. So this is especially important because in today's world, many systems need collaboration across various agents to make better decisions, automate complex processes, and enhance productivity. Now, before we move forward, if you are new to the concepts of agents or agentic RAG, we have already created a detailed video explaining how agentic RAG works, so you can check it out by clicking the link attached here. So now let's get into the nuts and bolts of A2A. So imagine you are in a busy office and you have got a few co-workers handling different tasks. One person handles the emails, another handles customer queries, and someone else is in charge of inventory. For this office to run smoothly, these workers need to communicate and collaborate efficiently. And this is exactly what A2A allows between AI agents. So here's an example. Let's say you have a chatbot agent that's helping a customer order a product. So once the customer selects the product, the chatbot needs to verify the availability from the inventory system. So instead of the chatbot having access and query the inventory system itself, it can send a message to another AI agent asking whether the product is in stock. And once the inventory agent responds, the chatbot can then complete the order. So this is how AI agents collaborate in a real-world scenario. So now why is A2A protocol that awesome? Let me highlight a few key features that makes it stand out. Number one is open standard. The A2A protocol is built on common web standards like HTTP, SSC, and JSON RPC. So this makes it easier for developers to integrate into existing systems without reinventing the wheel. Next is secured by default. So security is a huge concern, right, when it comes to any kind of communication, especially in multi-agent environments. So A2A ensures that authentication and authorizations are built in, so only trusted agents can communicate with each other. And this is like having a secure chat room where only invited guests can join. Next is multi-modal support. So A2A doesn't just rely on text-based communication, it can handle multiple forms of interaction, whether it's text, voice, or even video. So imagine an AI agent that can talk to you, show you data in real time, and even make recommendations via video clips. Cool, right? And next is long-running tasks. So A2A isn't just for quick, immediate tasks. It can handle complex, long-running operations that may take hours or days to complete, like deep research or continuous monitoring. And then agent collaboration. So here's the real kicker. A2A allows agents to collaborate in a natural, unstructured way. This means that even if they don't share memory, tools, or context, they can still work together towards a goal. Okay, now let's look at some real-world applications to see just how powerful A2A is. Number one is autonomous vehicles. Think about a fleet of self-driving cars communicating with each other on the road. One car detects an obstacle ahead and sends a warning to others. That's A2A at work. Cars sharing data to keep each other safe and navigate traffic more efficiently. Next is customer service. Let's say you're chatting with a support bot for a company. If your issue is more complex, the bot can instantly escalate the case to a human representative or an advanced technical agent. So the bot and the support agent are collaborating through A2A communication to provide you with a solution. And then comes smart homes. So imagine your thermostat, lights, and security systems are all AI agents working in a smart home. So if the security system detects an intruder, it can alert the thermostat to adjust the temperature, making it harder for the intruder to detect movements. So all these devices are working together using A2A. And if you're interested in learning more about generative AI and how it's shaping the future of AI, check out our roadmap video. So why does A2A really matter? Well, think about the future of AI collaboration. In traditional systems, agents often work in isolation, doing their jobs but not interacting with each other. But in our connected world, we need collaboration to make everything more efficient. Whether it's business, healthcare, or even space exploration, we need intelligent systems that can work together to solve problems. So, for example, let's talk about AI-powered healthcare systems. You could have one agent analyzing a patient's medical history, another agent running diagnostic tests, and a third agent coordinating with the hospital's inventory system to ensure the necessary equipment is available for treatment. So these agents work together to make sure that the patient receives the best care possible. And the future of A2A is even more exciting as we move towards a world with decentralized AI systems where each agent may be owned by a different entity or operate on different platforms. A2A ensures seamless collaboration. It is the glue that will connect disparate systems and create a more interoperable AI ecosystem. Now, if you're a developer or someone interested in leveraging A2A in your projects, you might be wondering, how do I get started? Well, the good news is A2A is built on open standards, so you can start integrating it into your projects right away. Head over to the official A2A Protocol website where you will find detailed documentation, sample code, and resources to help you get started. So to wrap things up, the agent-to-agent protocol is an exciting step forward in AI communication. It enables agents to collaborate, share data, and make decisions together, creating a more efficient, connected, and intelligent world. And of course, don't forget about our free masterclass where we walk you through a proven 3-step framework to land your dream job in the fields of AI, machine learning, and generative AI. So take advantage of this free opportunity by registering through the link given in the description below. Also, if you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel for more such content, and also you can watch this video next on how to learn AI and machine learning in 2025.